Okay, good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. My squeaky chair. Today, we're going to focus our meditation on trusting in the message. So very often we get messages and it's like, ooh, can I really trust that? What is the chance? And the reason why I'm picking that one is I did receive a message last night that I prayed on, and it's like, ooh, can I really trust that, or is that my wishful thinking? And I know I can trust it because none of my intuitive footprint alarms went off. But it's still frightening because it's like, wow, that's really big. So I'm going to meditate and invite you to meditate on trusting the message, because often we do find ourselves in that position. So as always, we start with the Lord's Prayer and a prayer of protection. We will go into a very simple guided meditation. Sit quietly, and upon the quiet time being over, you'll hear the little chimes, and we'll close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. To take a deep breath, it's always recommended to exhale first, and then pull in a nice deep breath and close your eyes. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours now and forever. Amen. Let us take a moment now and just scan our bodies and invite ourselves to relax and let go, release any blocks, and just be open to the divine and our quiet time with Him. Let's move our attention to our third eye and our crown chakra, where the beautiful energy of the divine is flowing in and around. And as we follow the stream of energy all the way down to our feet, we will relax and just feel the love, the security, the strength moving into our bodies. So let us first begin at the top of our head and third eye. And as we feel and follow this energy flowing into our head, notice how our scalp relaxes, our jaw, even our tongue, letting go and at peace into our throat, where all the different chambers release and let go and absorb the beautiful energy more consciously into our physical well-being, into our chest now, into our heart. Allow our hearts to soften. Allow your heart to be warm and filled with gratitude. Feel the energy moving down your arms, your elbows, wrist and fingers. Every joint being soothed by this beautiful energy, almost like oil to a rusty wheel. Refreshing, renewing, restoring. As we follow the energy into our trunk, our kidneys, liver, gallbladders, everything, all the organs, our stomach, our intestines, everything being rejuvenated, Feel that energy. Feel it going into the organs, those mentioned and those not mentioned, stimulating, healing, and into our seat, our thighs, our knees, relaxing them, nourishing them, lubricating those joints, into our lower legs, ankles, feet and toes, and out the bottom of our feet, and going a few inches into the earth, just a few like a tree. We are fully connected to the divine here on this earth. And our energy now flows back up and down, up and down, all the way up to the heavens and back down to the earth. And as we move with the energy, we trust in the flow of the messages we receive from the divine. Let us just move with this flow with a trusting heart. And although this energy is always flowing with such force, we now bring our attention back to just our bodies, pulling ourselves into the present. And we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. All right, guys, have a wonderful, beautiful day. And I look forward to seeing you all here tomorrow or throughout the day whenever you jump in. And that's it. See you later. Bye-bye.